Yet another major Apple Watch leak claims that 2024 could herald a brand new Apple Watch Series 10 with a serious design overhaul, and a new Apple Watch Ultra 3 with a new color. The Apple Watch Series 10, which has also been dubbed the Apple Watch X in early leaks, as an indication of the major changes coming, is reportedly on track to be released later this year. Early reports in December from top insider Mark Gurman claimed that Apple is planning the biggest overhaul to Apple Watch ever with its Series 10, with a notably thinner case and new magnetic band. Now, another insider has given us a fresh look at what we can expect. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo claims that the Apple Watch Series 10 is getting 10th anniversary redesign that will bring it the same screen size as the Apple Watch Ultra. Rumors of the Apple Watch Series 10 or Apple Watch X being a major redesign have been circulating for years, most recently with a report that it would be thinner. Now Ming-Chi Kuo backs up that claim of a more thin design, but also says that the overall screen size will increase. Writing in his full blog post, Kuo goes on to say that the Apple Watch Series 10 will increase its sizes from 41mm and 45mm to 45mm and 49mm. The larger of those two options would make the regular Apple Watch screen be the same size as the Apple Watch Ultra. Speaking of which, Kuo now says that there will be a new Apple Watch Ultra 3, despite previously claiming that it was not in development. This time he says that the new model's specifications will be roughly the same as the existing one though. It's hard to see how Apple would present that as a new model, except that Kuo also says that it's possible there will be a new color. It depends on production yields, but the previously rumored black version may be launched. Kuo further says that previously reported testing of 3D printing Apple Watch components has gone well, and significantly improved the production efficiency of the process. As well as components, he expects 3D printing company BLT to ultimately expand to producing Apple Watch cases. Ming-Chi Kuo has had very good track record with reports about Apple's plans. Lately, he has tended to introduce what he sometimes calls predictions, rather than solely reporting what he's learned from his sources in the supply chain. In this case, he doesn't say either that it's from the sources or that it's a prediction. However, his detailing of BLT's plans suggests that his report is based on information from sources. All of this means the Apple Watch is shaping up for a hefty overhaul in 2024, the perfect hardware complement to the latest version of WatchOS, WatchOS 11, unveiled at WWDC 2024 earlier in June. That's it for the update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next video.